Worn door hinges on Fox Mustangs is extremely common. The door kind of holds these cars together, so when the hinges are loose, not only does the door close crooked, but the door hinges thunk on rough roads. Look at your door striker. If it's worn or broken, it's a symptom of worn door hinges, and the misalignment has been beating up on the door striker for a while. To address the root cause, you need to fix the sloppy door hinges. The only way to fix the problem is to replace the pins and bushings themselves. A few companies offer kits. We're using a kit from National Parts Depot to fix this 1986 Mustang. It comes with pins, bushings, and cotter pins for one door. You'll need 2 kits if you're doing both sides. We supported the door with a floor jack and a strap, but we still needed an extra pair of hands during the process. The easiest way to remove the OEM hinge pins is to cut them. Since the door skin curves inward at the top and the bottom, don't cut the pins in half. Otherwise you won't be able to get them out. Instead, cut them 1/3 of the way from the top and the bottom as shown here. The hinge pins are hardened steel, so a saw blade won't work. Instead, a rotary tool with a small cut-off wheel does the trick. We used a small prying tool to pop the swedged part of the hinge out. Then we used the chisel and sharp pry bars to get under the head of the knurled end of the hinge pin and work them out. To get the old bushings out, you got to get creative because some of them are kind of hard to reach. We drove some out directly with a drift. For others, we used the sharp chisel to cut off the flange and then drove them out. We got the new bushings started using a vice grips and some anti-seize. Then we finished by tapping them home with a hammer and a drift. After we lined up the hinges, we tapped the new pins in place. The supplied cotter pins secure the new hinge pins in place. Ah, the sound of success.